These coral reefs are endangered due to destructive and overfishing. Destructive fishing, such as blast and dynamite fishing, is a threat to coral reef as it makes it hard or impossible for the reef to recover, and it destroys large parts of the reef. It shatters corals and kills the coral tissues in other reefs. Cyanide, which is used to stun and capture fish alive, can damage and kill corals when sprayed or dumped on coral reef. Also, when fishermen try to remove stunned fish, they break corals. Overfishing creates an unbalanced coral reef habitats and communities. It also changes the way of the food chain. For example, predators will lack their food supplies because their prey will be overfished. Also, all fish have an important role to help control algae growth on the coral. It will poorly affect the reef's ability to deal with stress and threats when variety of reef fish decreased. It is not only a problem with fishermen, but there has also been an increasing number of aquarium collecting. Destructive and overfishing are one of the biggest threats to coral reef and can result in a negative matter. It is already seen physically that there has been nothing done so far, and aquariums are taking advantage of the fact that there are no limits on the amount of fish an aquarium collector can collect. In Hong Kong, destructive fishing has been prohibited and banned.
In the 1980s, striped bass fish were decreasing along the east coast of the United States until limits were set upon fishing for striped bass fish. Limiting the endangered fish like the striped bass creates a big impact. Today, this species has increased and recovered. This could be a useful solution in Hawaii to help stop overfishing, which helps coral reef by keeping a balanced coral reef habitat and community. In Hawaii, there are laws like a catch and release. If the fish are too small or are delinquent, you have to release them back into the ocean. However, this law has not been too efficient in Hawaii. Fishermen and such do not really follow these laws because there are not really much consequences that has been done before. But anyone who continues to do these practices should be severely punished. Also, many of the practices have already been banned by national legislators. However, commercial fishermen and factory ships who seek profit are wanting to break the law. We can still help the coral reef if we start now to make a change. Stop destructive and overfishing.